In version 4.21, we made an update that allows you to display product containers within the browser on the register. In this video, we will show the different ways in how you can configure this. Product containers and fixed measures are used when selling measured products. This is often seen in hospitality when selling beer from a keg or wine from a bottle. We cover how to add these products in another video. By default, the register will only display the fixed measures in the product and department browsers. As seen here, we have a variety of beers and can see product buttons for every half pint and pint. You can now change this to only show the container products. When doing this, only the container products will be shown in the browser, resulting in fewer products displayed, meaning you can show more products without scrolling. When tapping a product container, Register will display a list of all the fixed measures and their prices. Simply tap the desired measure to add it to the transaction. You can also configure the register to display both the container and fixed measures in the browser if desired. To configure this setting, first log into the web portal, click Config in the top bar and then Profiles. Edit the appropriate profile by clicking the pen edit icon and expand the functions group. Now, click the Container Products and Department browser drop-down and select the chosen option. After making your changes, scroll down and click the Save button. All you need to do now is click the Update Data button on the Register login screen to receive the changes. Further information on managing your products can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the Register menu or the web portal.